जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 13th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, you are in the body. Because you are in the body, you are getting to do all these duties. The karma charana you are doing because of the body. That fact you have to keep it in your mind and keep on thinking about that fact, having that realization. Now with your bhavana, think that all the duties are being performed only by body. Now you have to continue your thought process like this, your bhavana like this. How your body is a city. This city has 9 gates. 9 gates are 2 eyes, and 2 ears, 2 nostrils, and 1 mouth, 1 genitals, and 1 anus. Like this, 9 openings, 9 gates are there to this city. In that city, you are there. Now, there are Jnanendriyas. Jnanendriyas are the residents of this city. They are living in this city. Now this city is being ruled by Paramatma. He is the king of this city. Who are you then? You should think that you are the servant to the king who is Paramatma, who is the king of this entire city, which is your body. This kind of thought process you have to continue and keep performing your duties. Then you are an equivalent to the one who is doing nothing. And also, if your thought process is like this, if your bhavana is very strong in this aspect, you will be very happy forever. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us to inculcate a strong bhavana that we are the servant of Paramatma and Paramatma is the king of the body, in which all the Jnanendriyas, senses, are the residents of the body. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sarva karmani manasa sannyasyaaste sukham vasi navadvare pure dehi naiva kurvan nakarayan. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing and disclosing the greatness and the effulgence of Sriman Narayana to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Paramatma came down in different forms to protect all the worlds and to preserve dharma. Only with his orders, under his ruling, aham rushayaha navaye prajeshaha, I myself, all the rishis, 9 prajapratis, we are all doing this Srushti Karyam under the ruling of Sriman Narayana. O Narada, like that, all the Manus, Indra and other Devatas, all the kings, only with the orders of Paramatma. By following Paramatma's orders, they are all ruling the kingdoms and they are all protecting the worlds. O Narada, at the end of every yuga, Antetu adharma hara manyuvasa asuradhyaha. Adharmam, Rudra, and there are few asuras. They all will do pralaya karyam at the end of every yugam. Like this, only with the orders of Paramatma, Srushti, Sthiti, Pralayas, all these things are happening. O Narada, that Paramatma's avataras, Paramatma's miraculous activities, it is impossible for anyone to describe and realize. Vishnornu virya gananam katamaha arhati. Nobody can attain a perfect understanding about Paramatma's divine qualities and divine activities. O Narada, that Paramatma with his 3 feet, he has occupied all these worlds. Such Paramatma apratihatam bagu shakti ganimpa shakyame. That kind of Paramatma's greatness, supremacy, who would be able to understand? Nantam vidami aham munayah agrajaste. I myself, Sanaka Sananda, all these great rishis also would not be able to attain a clear understanding, clear realization about Paramatma's supremacy. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's Vaibhavam to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Vyamoha prasamaushadham Munimanovrutti pravrutyaushadham Daityendrartikaraushadham Tribhuvani Sanjeevanaikaushadham Bhaktaatyantahitaushadham Bhavabhaya Pradvamsanaikaushadham Shreyah Praptikaraushadham Piba Manaha Shri Krishna Divyaushadham Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 13th sloka. Sarva karmani manasa sanyasyaste sukham vasi navadvare pure dehi naiva kurvan nakarayan. Sarvakarmani manasa sanyasyaste sukham vasi navadvare pure dehi naiva kurvan nakarayan. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.